AND function is a logical function that returns true if both conditions are met. If one of the conditions is not met, the result is going to be false. AND function works like multiplication. Now, like what we have on the screen, we have input A, input B. 1 times 0 will give you 0. 0 times 1 will give you 0. 0 times 0 will give you 0. 1 times 1 will give you 1. What it simply means is that the first one, 1 times 0, simply means one of the condition was met while the other was not met. So that's why the result gave you what? False. Same goes to the second one. Same goes to the third row, which simply means no condition was met at all. Now, the last one, both conditions were met. So that's why the result is true. That's how AND function works. Now, the next one is the OR function. The OR function is also a logical function, which simply means that if either of the condition is met, it will give you true. Now, for instance, it's just like the plus sign or the plus formula. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 1 is also 1 when it comes to number base. Now, what it simply means is that the first row, no condition was met at all. That's why it gave you false. The second row, one of the conditions was met. That's why it gave you true. The third row, one of the conditions was met. That's why it gave you true. Then the last row, the two conditions were met. That's why it gave you true. Now we're going to be practicalizing this on Microsoft Excel. This is the AND statement. Now, I want to use the formula. Always remember to start with your equal sign. If AND, which simply means both conditions must be met. If C5, if C6 is greater than or equal to 50, if D6 is greater than or equal to 50, now what should happen? It means the person has qualified. If not, the person did not qualify. Check it well. If the person meets up to 50 and above, person qualify for both maths and English. Now he's saying that the person did not qualify. The person scored 80, grade scored 80 in mathematics and 40 in English. The person did not qualify because one of the conditions were not met. So that's the reason why he's saying the person did not qualify. Now let's check it out. Now you can see this one, Joseph, 50 was met, 60 was also met. So that's to mean the person, Joseph, qualified. Mary did not qualify despite having 99 in English, 49 in mathematics. Now, this is how AND function works. Both conditions must be met before it can give you true. If one of the conditions is not met, that means it's going to give you false. Now let's try the OR function. Start with your equal to. If or E6 is greater than or equal to 50. F6 is greater than or equal to 50. Qualify. Not qualify. Now, as you can see, the first one says what? Qualify. Remember, or simply means if one of the condition is met, it will give you true. Now you can see that this one is mathematics is greater than 50, English is less than 50. One of the condition was met, so give you what? Qualify. Now let's check out for the others. Good. Now you can see that they all qualify except for Kenneth. The reason is because both conditions were not met. That's to say, one of the conditions was not met. So Kenneth did not qualify. So you now know the difference between the or function and the and function. If there's any question, use my comment section.